Coach Alex, freedomtradingclub.com. Today is August 15th, 2023, and here's the wrap-up. This was a particularly wonderful day for us. Let's just show you the 8 o'clock numbers real quick. Okay, we're looking at the retail sales at 8:30, inventories, housing market, and here was the thing. The daily's in a downtrend. It accelerated today. Our only concern was with the Russian ruble was the market break 35,000 today. And, well, let's give you the update. We started off with the market pretty much in a bearish tone, maybe too bearish. Everybody wanted to go short. We thought that the market had declined quite a bit from London highs, and we were a little nervous about going short at such a low level. So we decided to pass on the 8:30 and be cautious. So the first trade, again, as you approach the open, remember the markets try to trick us. If you've tried to trade and you've lost money before, it's because you had the right idea, but you didn't time it correctly. There is an element of non-randomness that is instituted by the institutions. In other words, they're trying to get the best price for their clients. Typically, they move the market opposite to the newer traders who have what they call weak hands. They don't have enough capital. They're overtraded. So you might go short, but what's going to happen when the market starts off at 35,130 and it goes up to 240? Who is going to have that kind of capital to withstand that? So it's very important to look to go with the trend, but after a reaction, don't chase it. Okay, here's one of the trades we love. We did go long. Now, just note this, at 456, in other words, Europe is trading. The high was 239, okay? And today's volatility was 175. So just try to remember that. Here we go at the low at 8:30. We're trading around 35,058. We saw this W trade and went long, counter trend, for those who are permitted to go counter trend at 35, right there, 35,131. We got about 100 points. But if you think about it, 35,234, right? 35,234. If you subtract 175 points, you're going to get 59 as the low level. So once it went to 35,062 here, if you think about it, you could project, okay? This is what we do every day. Tune in and find out. We can project that the market will rally, like we said. Let me show you the report in the morning. See this volatility, 175. That's an important number. We publish it every morning around 8 a.m. It's great. So we had a feeling that the market would rally 175 points to that objective. So we did take some long to take advantage of that. But more important, once the market opened at 9:30, the institutions had pushed it up. It went sideways for a while. And when the market could not go any higher, we like to wait a few minutes after the open to confirm this. We took a short. Our first trade was very successful, 2 swings down, we covered, and then we waited again for that 6-minute period. We got our second or third trade, but the second short. Now we're in tune with the trend. As the market breaks below this, JTHMA gives us the inversion signal, very important indicator that we use, created by ourselves, called the inversion. We could explain it when you come into the room. Not every red dot gives a sell signal. It should be combined with other elements. It's a CONFLUENCE tool. Okay, so there was our third trade already by the open, and waited for, after taking profits, you want to wait for the stochastics to come overbought. And we got another inversion short signal right here. Hesitated for a while from 9:54 for about 8-9 minutes before coming down. Now remember that 239 gave you a 175 target, at least in the downside. So here we're getting it on the fourth trade. Most traders were already done for the day by 10 o'clock. Those who wanted to wait for a little more gravy were able to take a buy signal on a W. You see this W, a double bottom. Market can't go any lower. The high right there is 35.055. So at 56 is a buy stop. Now it's the turn of the shorts to start losing some money. Those who chased the market, and the market rallied. We were done by that time. Remember, by 11 o'clock is our objective. Some traders choose to come back lunchtime or the afternoon, and those that did, I hung around basically until near the end, but for our clients basically. And here we had another inversion signal, but you'll notice another fake out breakout, just like that 239 here. Remember that London high of 5 a.m. or so, right? 342, the market came up from 342 to 5 a.m. It sort of topped out. There was the resistance at 239, and we call this a fake out breakout. How many of you take breakout trades on the wrong side of the market and get stopped out? There was the victims who did that. So we waited for that. The market couldn't make any more highs. The poor traders who were long are stuck. As soon as it started turning down, we go short. Remember that trade? Okay. So the same thing happened here just before lunch. The high on this rally was 35.118, and now it gets to 35.129, 11 points, and then it starts down again. Well, to answer the last question, did we finally hit below 35,000? We were trying to get people to wait. This was a very dead time here from 1:45, again, all times Eastern time, and then it manages to rally again, another fake out breakout. Isn't this great when you know this method? 35.103 is the high. Where do you think it got up to at 2:47 before the 3 o'clock last hour? 105 here, right? 103. It goes 2 ticks higher here and proceeds immediately to come down. But this time, we weren't fooling around. Our goal was to get below 35,000, which we got. And again, going back to our first target in the morning, 8 a.m., do you see the target? 34,978. That was our last target of the day. Take a guess where the market went. It went a little bit lower. Here's the 78. Everybody who stayed on for the last hour of trading got our target right there, and we were done. What a great day. Okay, listen, don't take my word for it, guys. Everybody makes money at 4 o'clock. They'll show you, there's a lot of fly-by-night trading rooms. They show you how great they are. We do all our analysis at 8 a.m. You could check us out. You don't believe it? Here's what you do. Visit us at freedomtradingclub.com. Again, our founders have called, including myself, over 99,000 trades since 2006. We have private coaching that will give you the extra edge on your trades. And of course, we have the live trading room. Our goal is to take 2 to 3 profitable trades per day in the first 2 hours. If you want more, that's great. If you have other things to do, make your money and do other things. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, before you pay anyone a penny, listen to this. Check out our website. In the top right corner, register for a free 3-day trial. Again, everybody tells you how great they are at 4. We'll show you how great we are in advance. Subscribe to the freedomtradingclub.com on YouTube. Some of you are already there. And again, we post these videos. Thanks for your attention, your support. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning.